welcome you once again to my tutorial on how to create an SBA system for your school. Okay, today we are continuing with whatever that we are doing, but before that I want to let you know the tabs I am using for now. Is when we started, the tabs I have now is different from the previous or the first videos. The reason is that as I keep on working with this system, I keep on updating it, and so I expect you to also keep on updating yourself when you are watching the video. Try to make your work nicer each day, because every day I get new ideas. Every day you get new ideas, and so keep on adding more modifications. You don't have to do it the same as I'm doing mine. You get the concept, you do it to fit your situation. And so let's go through my tabs. You see, I have about. I just added it. I thought it wise that, let's say, I should bring a button here. And I believe for now you know how to add a button. If you don't want the developer controls, you just come to home. No, sorry, insert. You come to illustrations, then you go to shapes. Okay, then you select any of the shape that you want. Let's say I want this one. Then you drag and drop like this. Then you right click in the shape, edit text. Then you can write in something there. Go. Okay, good. You can center it by coming to the home, then center alignment. Then you can change the color of the shape. Okay, you can also come to shape format and change the shape fill, the shape outline to any color that you want, and the shape fill to any color that you want. Okay, you can just enlarge it to fit your desire. So that is what I use for this one, this about. Okay, and I have connected the about to this about sheet. Okay, when you go here, I just write something about the page, the system. So that is that. And the registration, at first I made it login page, but then I've changed it to be the registration page. And these are the things that you can add up more. And at this place, it contains the account that people will create using the system. These details will be required, and it will come here. It's not compulsory to use the same thing as I have here. There's just a template. You can use your own details. Okay, then the home page for that one, this is where immediately you open this book, the default page that will come is this home page. At first I did sign in and sign up, but I've changed it to be sign in alone. Then I've written, do you have an account? Create an account. So this one will create an account. Okay, this one will create an account. So that is how we are doing it for now. Then I've brought this close workbook. This one will close the workbook like this. Okay, it will close the workbook like using something like this. Okay, and you click on it, it should save everything, then close the workbook. So basically that is the home page. Then the SBA log. The SBA log is where when you go to the home page and you log in. Sorry, this is the login that I've changed to SBA log. This one is still registration, but this is the login page I did in the first video, but I've changed it to be SBA logs. Okay, and it contains all the logs or everything that you need in this system, the register, the master sheet to the SMS sheet. So you sign in from the home page. Then after the sign-in is successful, it will bring you to the SBA log. Okay, that is very simple. Now we have the settings, the master sheet for GHS 1 and master sheet for GHS 2. Let me shift this one here. And master sheet for GHS 3, registry for GHS 1 to 3. Then the student report. Okay, today we'll be working on the student report and the GHS records 1, GHS 2 records, and GHS 3 records, and the SMS. And now we have the school register. So this is the school register. and this one will be taught under the paid edition. Okay, it's delaying, but then it will come. So that is the school register. So these are the things I've added in my sheet. So this is a school register. You see, this is a school register. Okay, so these are the things I've added in my own, so we can update it in that way. If you are doing for GHS, if you are doing for primary, you can do it the same with primary. It's just changing the names to BS1, BS2, BS3, and the rest. So today we are going to work with the report system. Where is the student report? We are going to design the student report system. Okay, so let me launch a template so that we can just look at the template and do the work. Let me launch the template. Okay, so this is a template that we are going to use to do report. Okay, so let's go back to our sheet. Let's go back so we have, look at this one. Okay, 1, 1, 2 will be merged. Okay, so one will be, so we merge this one. You select. Let me show the tabs and commands. Okay, then I merge it. This one too will be merged, but then I can merge it two like this. Okay, can merge it two like this. Okay, I've merged this and this. So this is where the Ghana Education Service is going to be. Ghana Education Service. Ghana Education Service. Okay. Then school. Okay. The school. The school. Take click to. Then you go to settings. You go to settings. Then the school name will be here. You select. Now let me go to things again, and let me write a name over there. Let's say Bososo SDAHS. Okay, I write it in there. So when I come to the report, I should see the name here. So let me go and do some alignment. Let me increase the font. Okay, so something like this. Okay, so we have something like this. Okay, now the next one, address and phone number of the school. So let me put it in the middle like this. So let me do this, merge them. Let me format painter this. Okay, I hope you are following. So the motto will come here. The motto will come here. Then the school address will also come here. The school address also come here. So address. Okay. Then after the address, what else? Then we have the telephone number. Okay. We have the telephone number. Let me delete this. Good. Okay. Okay, so it's equal to motto and let's go to the settings and select okay, so that is it. So okay, let me give this one there. Let me break enter. So this is it. Okay, so let's go to the settings and write the school motto there. The school motto. Knowledge is far. This knowledge is far has taken over every place. So let's and report. Okay, so that's how it's going to be. Okay, so look at the formula. It's equal to motto and settings 19. So this one too is going to be is equal to in strange form space then and a value in settings address, school address. Where is school address? Okay, so let's go and write the school address. The school address. PO Box 20. Let's write the email here first so that when we do it, it just comes like that. Okay. Municipal, let's say Fantiapa South Region. Okay, school contact. For the contact, let's go to here, home. Okay, custom. I have a custom number. Okay, it's deleted, but you can do one. Just copy one of this and just bring the 0 in front like this. So we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, then you click on OK. Then 0 will be added to it. It's very simple. 20, 21, 22. 14th May 2022. Okay, so that is reopening it. 14th June 2022. So it's enough. Let's go back to the report. Okay, so we have the address here. Very simple. Now after the address, the telephone number. So that one is equal to tel and we go to the set school telephone. We didn't provide. I provided school contact. So that is it. Okay. So we can add 0 to it so that it will be 0. We can add 0 to it here. And so that okay, so we have added 0. So that 0 will be part of the array. Okay. So after that then the term, okay, this one will come. So let's use this place. Just start this one. We just change the font size to black, the background color to black, then the font to white. Okay, then repose. Something like this, but then let's remove it and let's make this one also black. We are just trying to design it, so that is it. So we have this way. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 3 right. is here. So let me do this. Let me go back. Let me check 4, 5. So I have 5 lines here. 1, 2, 3, 5. So we have this. So with this one, you go to the font group and go to all borders. Okay, go to all borders. Add the option is merged. This is merged, so you merge and send across. Just copy and paste. Use a format painter. You can use a format painter. Okay, let me paint this one. It's okay. This one, I used only 2. I used only 2. Okay. Let me go. I used 1, 2. This one, 2. I use this and this. I use this and this. Okay. Then this one, 2. I left only 3. So let this one will go. Format painter. This one will go. Painter. This one. Format painter. This one will go. Okay. So let me. 1, 1, 3. Okay, I used 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the number on row, this part, we center it. We format painter, do that. Format and do this. Okay, then this one too. Okay, so we have this. So this place will contain the name. Then let me put it side. And put it side by side. Okay. So name of student. So this one of student. Name of student. Then academic here. Then this term begins. Okay. Then next term begins. Then it will be class. Okay, so that is. Then you go here. There will be number on row. Then here will be term. It will be total score. It will be position in class. Then here is going to be class teacher's name. So let me add this one to it. So class teacher, let me merge this one. Let me omit this. Okay, let me bring it here. Okay, so class teacher's name. Okay, so class teacher's name will be here. Okay, you see, I can enlarge this place. You see, that's taking a lot of space, so I can enlarge it. Okay, so when I enlarge it like this, I have to do this. Branch 1. Okay, so that is it. Okay, so let me add this part to it also. Okay, so I can now merge and center this, merge and center this, then copy all of this and merge and center that one. So we have it this way. Okay, we have it this way, but then I have to add this one to the merge and center because I've enlarged the whole sheet. I have to let me go back. Okay, good. So let me cut this and paste it here for the time, and let me make sure I imagine center this. Okay, let me also cut this one and paste it here for the meantime, and let me imagine center this. Okay, so I can now cut it. So that I can now imagine center again. I can now cut and bring it back. Okay, so I have it this way, but then this one also needs to, okay, this one to let me imagine center. Good, so I have it this way so that it will all be in the center. Now the next is the subject, this part. So this one too, we have 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now we have 1 2 3. Okay, so you let me do this. 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. We have, come here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So let me this way. Okay, so that is it. Now 1 2 3 has been merged. Okay, and 1 2 3 has also been merged. So up to this has been merged, and the last 3 too has been merged. How we get it? So I just copy painter this, format painter this. Okay, let me copy all this, format painter, format paint. Okay, so I can just copy all this, format painter, bring it here. Okay, let me copy all this like this, format painter, and start here. Good, so I have it this way. Now let me enlarge this a bit because it is a subject column. So here is subject. Here is subject. Okay, let me put all this in the center. Let me wrap the text. Good, so class total score also 50% SBA, 50% exams, then total of exams and SBA, then position, then remarks. So we have it this way, then remarks. Okay, so that is it. So let me make this one small. Center, center it, and let me reduce the size. Let me increase this one, make it bold, increase this one, make it bold. Okay, so we have it like this. Now you can choose a color. Okay, let me make it a little bit black. Let me make the writings to be white like this. Okay, good. So the subject will come here. Okay, and for the subject, this is how you're going to do it. You click on equal to, then you come to the settings. Okay, come to the settings, then you select the subject part, then it comes. You can just click and drag, the rest will just follow suit. I hope you get it. Just click and drag, the rest will follow suit. Let me put it at this part. So you go back to the settings and up to French. So that is it. Very simple. Very, very simple. Okay, so that's why I said you have to arrange them. When you change it here, it will come here automatically. Okay, so we have the subject here. Now the remarks comes from the master sheet. We'll do that later. Now after we are done with this, let's go to the okay. So this one, let me bring the core and the relative. Okay, so okay, let's make it this way. That is all. Then you so you divide them into. Let me do that. Let's pick here and go to insert above. Okay. Ash. Let me go back. Okay. Let me insert. Let me go to this fill. No fill. I need this. Let me close it to this space. So I just select all of this. Let me select all of this, and let me go to Noda and select only this one and give it a border. Okay, and let me select the middle part and center it. Very slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the core subject. So insert. No. Let me go back. I have to select all of this. So let me insert. Good. So I just select this, merge and center, and open it a bit. Okay, so this one will be core subjects. Because I choose a white color, a white font, that is why. Core subjects. Okay. When I come here, right, relative subjects. So let me just format painter. That will bear this. So something like this. Okay. Something like this. That is very simple. Now we come down here. You know, you've seen how we do. So let me copy everything. Let me copy all this. Okay, it can't be copied because of the formulas I have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6. Let me come here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have the 6 boxes. Let me give it. Okay, so let me go back. So the segment painter this and bring it. So format paint. Let me select these 3 boxes and format paint all of them and bring it down here. Okay. So the first one attendance, conduct, attitude, interest. Then what class and teachers. So class teachers remarks, head teachers remarks. Okay. So out of and promoted to. So out of, then promote, merge it. Let me merge it like this. Okay. This one we have to merge it. Okay. So aggregate also comes here. format paint. So the rest, like this one, click it. You can make it capital letters, okay? It's because I'm doing it, that's why I'm doing this way. Okay, let me format paint, format painter, format painter. Then this one too. Merge. This one too. Merge. So we are done with the report. Now this dash line, see if I can copy this dash line and get here. Okay, it has come. So just bring this dash line here. Bring this one to here. Okay. Now let me bring it to the top so that I can write in beneath. So let me just magenta. So head, class teacher's name. Okay, let's format painter this. Yeah. Head teacher's name. Okay, so for the head teacher's name, let me format painter this one too. Here. So the class teacher's name, you click on enter, then you go to settings. I'm only teaching once here, okay. Then the class teacher's name, you select it. So come, format painter. Then this one to equal to. You go to settings. Then the head teacher's name to enter. Okay. So that is how you're gonna do. But this is, let's say, for prepare for GHS 1. Okay. So let me go back and see GHS 1. GHS 1. GHS 1 is J29 and J35. J29. Okay. J29 and J35. Make here J, because we are doing for GHS 1. GHS 1. But then GHS 1, both schools have the same headmaster. So let me see. Head teachers. So this one will be P35 because both of them will have the same life is correct. So the head teacher's name will be P35. P35. So let me go to the settings and write GHS 1. The headmaster's name. Let's say Enoch Asari, okay? And the head teacher's name, Asari Elijah, okay? So we have it this way. I go report and it will be there. You get it? Very simple to be here. So we are done with the template for, let me off this. Okay. Let me show ribbon. Show tabs. Let's go to the view and close the formula bar. Okay. And close the grid line. So it's how it is. This is how it's going to be. Okay. When you close the grid line and everything. So you put the picture here. So let me go to insert. Let me go to insert and let me get a shape. So you are going to place the pictures here. Okay. Copy paste. You're going to place the pictures here. You can even put, let me delete this. You can even put the name of the student here instead of the school logo. So it will be something like this. Okay. The school logo will be here, then the student picture will be here. So that is because how we design the report. And this is for GHS 1 report. So let me name it GHS 1 report. So this is for report. So after I'm done with that one, you just move and copy. Okay, move and copy. Just this one, create copy. Where the copy, okay, you just change it to be GHS2. Okay, delete this one, GHS2. So let me copy this again, create copy, select this so that so when it comes like this, you change it again, the name to be GHS3 report. Okay, GHS3 report. So after that, you come back, go to the teacher's name, you go to settings. Okay, then GHS2, what is the name for? The value for is what? G35. Okay, G35. And GHS3 is P29. So G35 and P29. So this is now G35. Okay, G35 and GHS3 will be P29. Okay, you can bring their contact also here. So let me copy this, go to format data and lay it here, home, format. Let me go to view and let me show the grid line, then format printer. Okay, then the number equal to, this is for GHS3, so pick the number. Okay, this one too is equal to GHS3. Head teacher, pick the number. So let me go and write something there so that at least we'll not see 00. So Akosia Abwaje 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me write anything there, okay, so that we can at least see some numbers. God King or say, just writing something there. Okay, so that is it. So let's go to the report and see. So you see the numbers has come. So GHS2, let me go and show the grid line so that we can. Let me just use format beta because it's the same size. Format beta. Okay, so that one too is equal to, this is for GHS2. Okay, the contact for the class teacher's name, GHS2. The head teacher is the same number. So I just copy paste it here. And the same one too. Let me view the grid line. And let me format printer this. Okay, so go to GHS2, let me copy and paste it here. Okay, let me paste it here. But then if this name is J29, then this one will be this is J31. Okay, I think it will be J30 because it's only 2 space interval. Okay, you let me go and check. Okay, it is K31. So let me K31, not K31. So basically that is how we design the report card. You can put your contact here. Okay. some logo here. Okay, some logo here. Go this one. Let me use this. You can put something here. Okay, so after that you go back and off the line. You can off the ruler. You can off the headings. You can off the formula. So you get it this way. Very simple and nice. Okay, so you get it this way. So basically this is how we design the report card. Okay, our next tutorial will be filling in the formulas for the report card, and that will be in the paid edition. So try your best and be part of that team. Okay, so thank you for watching. Bye bye. If there's anything, we'll do another tutorial to correct or update it.